Did you know that at $12, brass wall lamp sourced from India can sell for $120 to $300 in the global retail store? It is not just a lamp. Door handles, cabinet knobs, candle holders, wall scones, and vintage brass decor all are sourced from India, are dominating the interior design store across the US and Europe. In this video, I will show you why Indian brass products exploding in global demand, which country import the most, how India become the world brass manufacturing hub, and the high margin brass product that you can source from India and sell in your country. If you are interested in starting sourcing or exporting business from India, this video will open your eyes. Why brass product is booming globally? Brass has become one of the most demanded material in luxury interior design. Interior designers across US, UK and the Europe are shifting toward warm metallic tone, vintage texture, handcraft decor. Brass perfectly fit in this trend. You will see brass used in wall lamps and scones, cabinet handles and knobs, door hardware, mirror frame, candle holders, decorative trays and sculptures. And here is the key. Western buyers want handcrafted product, not mass factory items. That is where India dominates the global market. India is considered as the global capital of brass handicraft. The city of Moradabad is known worldwide as the brass city of India. Here is why. Over 4,000 plus brass handicraft manufacturers, hundreds of export houses, generations of skilled artisans, competitive labor cost, ability to produce custom design for Western brands. India exports brass product 100 plus countries worldwide. Many Western brands you see in interior designing stores are actually sourcing from Indian factories. The global decorative hardware and home decor market is massive. Some important number. Home decor market is more than $700 billion. Decorative light market is more than $45 billion. Hardware and fitting market is more than $90 billion. India export approximately $3 to $4 billion in handicraft annually. Brass handicraft alone account for $1.5 billion. Major export hubs in India include Moradabad, Jaipur, Delhi NCR, Aligarh, Jodhpur. Many exporters ship product to large retail chains and interior design brands. This country buys the largest volume of home decor products from India. United States largest market for wall lamps, brass decor, vintage hardware. American retailers sell this product with 5x and 10x markup. United Kingdom huge demand in boutique interior design store, renovation projects, Victorian style brass fixtures. German buyers focus on minimalistic brass lighting, premium quality craftsmanship. France French interior design trends love antique brass, rustic luxury decor. Australia rapidly growing market for boho interior decor, artisan brass lighting. Here are some of the most profitable products importers source from India. Brass wall lamps and scones. Factory price in India $10 to $25. Retail price in US and Europe $120 to $350. These are extremely popular in restaurant, boutique hotels, interior design projects. Cabinet handles and door hardware. Factory price $1 to $5 per piece. Retail price $15 to $40 per piece. Kitchen renovation project drive huge demand for this. Brass candle holders. Factory price $3 to $8. Retail price $30 to $90. These sell extremely well on Etsy, Shopify store, home decor booth. Brass mirror frames. Factory price $25 to $60 per piece. Retail price $180 to $600. Large interior design retailers import this product from India. There are three main business models in this industry. Wholesale export. You supply to retail chains, interior design stores, furniture brands. Your order can 500 to 5000 pieces. Number 2, private label manufacturing. You manufacture for that sell on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify. They put their brand name on Indian made products. Number 3, sourcing agent. Act as a middleman between factory and buyers. Typically, your commission would be 5 to 10% per order. For example, $100,000 order. Your commission would be $5,000 to $10,000. Why demand is growing fast? Three major trends are driving fast. Interior design boom. Home renovation exploded after 2020. Handmade product trend. Customers prefer artisan product over mass production. Boutique hospitality. Hotels, cafe and restaurants want unique decor. Brass hardware fit perfectly in this space. Many international buyers sourcing products from India, but they face several challenges such as finding reliable manufacturers, quality control issue, communication problem, payment risk, shipping and document complications. Because of these challenges, most of buyers prefer working with a local sourcing agents. Here is how international buyers source a product from India. Online B2B platforms. Buyers search suppliers on platforms like Alibaba, IndiaMart and Fairs. But this platform can be risky because buyers don't know which supplier is reliable. Trade show. International buyers visit trade exhibitions such as IHGF Delhi Fair, Ambient Frankfurt. This show help buyer discover new manufacturers. Number 3. As a sourcing agent and exporter from India, I help international buyer to simplify the entire process. My role is simple. I help you with finding reliable manufacturers, competitive pricing, product customization and sampling, factory quality inspection, export packaging and logistics, reducing sourcing risk. This allows international buyers to source from India confidently without worrying about fraud or poor quality. If you are an international buyer and want to source brass home decor, lighting and hardware product from India, and if you want to import any other product from India, you can contact me. I will provide you best quality product or reliable suppliers from India. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching video.